that real-world manipulation, glorious pathway, Zaman Force combination, he was there.
Talk to me about how they evaded yung Kumunoy strat ng Falcons AP Brent. Kasi na-mention nyo during the draft that it's gonna be so hard to move around. But it seemed like they didn't have that problem in this game.
Wow, a lot of the mobility spells, no, marami silang panakas katulad na lamang with the BMI na hawak ni Kozen. Si Kaizen as well ay merong panakas with the upgraded sword at merong pang guiding wind. Ang daming repositioning abilities ng TNC na kahit ma-stuck sila sa Kumunoy strat ng Falcons AP Bren dito, ang pinaka-last pa nilang backup lang dito ay yung Netherrealm na ating ni Lancy. So kahit ma-stuck sila sa loob, kahit ma-stranded sila dyan. By the way, may bagyong paparating, mag-ingat kayo. Okay lang.
Correct.
Kasi meron silang Netherrealm.
Oo, and alam mo yung nangyari kasi dito, no, apart from the Edith, walang inherent counter against the Claude's